a weirdo. My friends, they call me tornado.